primetime news this evening, tension is brewing at the office of the DPP between DPP Paula Llewellyn and senior DPP Cathian Pike. Senate passes controversial bill and judge rules Ruel Reid and Fritz Pinnock have a case to answer.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Later on, I'll have the financial week.
But for a preview of what's coming up in sports, here's Jordan Ford.
Well, Archibald, you know that the excitement is building because the Reggae Girls will play their second match at the FIFA Women's World Cup tomorrow. It's at 7:30 in the morning Jamaica time. Of course, we're going to have a pregame for you right here on TVJ at 7 in the morning. I'll tell you all about it in Primetime Sports Friday.
And Romain also has a preview of what's coming in the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Thank you, Janella. This weekend, we are expecting some shower activity across western parishes, but elsewhere, dry conditions. The winds are also beginning to pick up, so we have fresh small craft warnings in effect for coastal areas.
Thank you, Romain. There is also sports commentary, E-Prime, and the financial week in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking a sports question. What are your predictions for the Reggae Girls match against Panama tomorrow?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center. So again, you can share your comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and you can tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.